Technetium is the 43rd element on the periodic table and is a silvery gray transition metal with an atomic weight of 98. It's famous for being the first artificially produced element and is also the first radioactive element on the periodic table, as every one of its isotopes are unstable. Its name comes from the Greek technetos, meaning artificial. Though minute traces exist naturally from uranium decay, all usable technetium on Earth is man-made, typically generated as a byproduct of nuclear reactors. Scientists searched for this missing element between molybdenum and ruthenium for decades before Italian researchers finally isolated it in 1937 from molybdenum targets that had been bombarded with deuterons in a particle accelerator. This marked a milestone in nuclear chemistry and symbolized humanity's new ability to create elements that nature rarely provides. Technetium's most useful isotope, technetium-99m, emits low-energy gamma rays and has a short half-life of about 6 hours, making it ideal for medical imaging. It can safely travel through the human body, highlighting organs like the heart, liver, and bones without causing long-term radiation exposure. Today, it's used in more than 30 million medical scans per year, making technetium one of the most important isotopes in modern medicine. Beyond healthcare, technetium's corrosion resistance and its ability to form stable compounds with iron have led to experimental uses in protective steel coatings and nuclear-powered batteries that convert radioactive decay into electricity for long-term energy sources.